Four-time Jamaica Premier League winning coach Jerome Waite has been appointed as the new head coach of Tivoli Gardens for the upcoming Jamaica Premier League season. Waite, who has won titles at crosstown rivals Arnett Gardens in over 2 decades, replaces Jermaine Teddy Johnson, who was in charge of the team last season. The West Kingston-based team are 5-time champions, with their successes coming in 1983, 1999, 2004, 2009 and 2011. Waite is the technical director at Woolmer's Boys and was the assistant coach to Theodore Whitmore for the Reggae Boys senior team between 2016 and 2021 and has also coached the national under-20 and under-23 teams.